Welcome back to Buckeye Country. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and like. It helps my channel out. Today we're going to do some thrifting. I had to get out of the house and look to see if I could find some new decor because I'm going to be taking down all of my Christmas decorations. As you can see, it was kind of foggy today. So my husband and I decided to go out and do some thrifting and hit some flea markets. We went down to central Arkansas and then kind of went north from Conway. It got foggy and then it would clear up and then it got foggy. But first off, we got to stop and feed ourselves. So, of course, if I'm in Cracker Barrel, I'm going to look at their decor and look at the new stuff they have. Y'all, this chicken or this rooster and this bread box, I love it. If you don't go in Cracker Barrel and look at their decor, you're missing out. And they're always changing, putting out new stuff. It's really neat. But I guess I need to put on the old feed bag. So now we're back on the road again to go to the first flea market. Wow, check out this stuff on the outside, y'all. These are the oldest fire extinguishers I have ever seen. And look at that, a telephone booth. Oh gosh, I'm really dating myself now. But we're going to head inside and just look at the different things you can use for decor. If you don't thrift your local thrift stores or your Goodwill or your flea markets, you're missing out, y'all. Some of the stuff in this booth was a little overpriced for me, but I really love those baskets and those roosters. But see, you can pick this stuff up at your local flea market. I wished I'd bought these bowls, but alas, I did not. So now I'm just going to continue to look around and try to figure out if there's something that I can use in my decor. I don't need no more rolling pins. No more rolling pins. Just walk away from the rolling pin. Rolling pins are my weakness, y'all. I love them. Especially the older ones. The older, the better. That's a really nice picture. If it was just solid white, I would have bought it. Made in China. It really wasn't that expensive. But I was looking for just a solid white or a cream color picture with no graphics on it. So I'm just going to continue to look around and see what I can find. If you're ever in Clinton, Arkansas, you got to come to this bakery. It's the best bakery in Clinton. And it's Sugar and Crumbs Bakery. This bakery had some really good treats, y'all. So many different cupcakes flavors that she had. And then she also had cheesecake bites. She had big cookies. She had cake pops. So if you're ever in Clinton, you got to check out this bakery. It's amazing and priced good. Well, okay, here we are. We're back at home. I guess it's time to get with it and pack up all this Christmas stuff. If you watched my Christmas home tour, you know how much stuff I have out in my house. So now I have to pack it all up, take all my trees down. So here we go. Let's get started. This drawer I use to store my candles in because I don't like to put my candles out in the storage shed because it gets so hot here in Arkansas in the summertime. If you notice here, I use my Christmas towels and stuff to wrap some of my decor. Okay, here's where I want to share a trick that I do. I use a gallon Ziploc bag to put all of my 3-tiered stuff in so that next year when I get ready to do my tiered tray, all I have to do is pull this one bag out and I know that everything that I need, with the exception of the really large pieces in my mugs, are all right there together. And it keeps it organized. It makes decorating faster next year. And then I just put that bag in my tub along with the other stuff. Just a tip. cozy again. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. And remember, make those memories with the ones you love.